your goal is not in her.
Really bad road. So basically our palm fruit is only like this. We don't want to load up so much because the road is really slippery, the mud and so on. As you guys can see, just now the mud is really thick. So this is all the palm fruit that we have. In the meantime, look at that view. Okay, we are trying to climb the impossible mountain. The impossible mountain to be climbed, but I think the day is really bright and sunny. I hope we can make it this time. And this is the one that turn, and after this, all this almost impossible to climb due to the road condition is really bad. So we're going up. As you guys can see, I had posted a week ago the repairing and the attention of climbing this mountain is really impossible because due to the road condition is really bad. So finger crossed, we hope we can climb this. Alright, let's go climb. Oh yeah, still good, it's still good. There's one more obstacle up there. One more. Hopefully we can go. Even this one is quite descent, but quite steep, but it's solid, it's hard, can go up. My dad is there. Tiap kita titipan atau sampai teh. Kan you jalan dong.
See, and one more.
And
over there.
yeah, and one more is there. Need to climb this one. I'm sorry guys, forgot to video it. I was really forget and excited. We made it guys, we made it. And after this we still have another obstacle out there, and it's not promising we can pass because really muddy and slippery. Hopefully we can make it. It's time to switch to L4, L1. Slowly climb. Like 4x4 convoy. It's really fun though, and the view is just spectacular. Side by side, you guys can see. Yeah, it's really hot. Oh, at night time it's really cold. Yep, because we are high up in the mountain. We are fixing my workers stuff. Put this here. We are at some place called I don't know what we call here. What is this place? This is my wife mountain. Oh, it's called my wife mountain because she and I we fertilize here, so we name it after our own names.
Beautiful view, guys.
Very beautiful view here. Yep. Alright, it's time to move. Yeah, take a look. Bumpy road. Over here is still our farm. Going to go at the map. One more round. And again, I missed to videoing the slippery and muddy place. Oh my gosh, and there's one more here guys, don't you guys worry. One more here. One more here. Oh yeah, it's really fun. Straight up with my L4, L2. Good thing that we are not really heavy. We yeah, more than 1.8. That is 1.8 ton, nearly 2. I think we got stuck there.
Sa GG.
Yeah. Okay, and then this is the road, as you guys know, that we use every day to sending our palm fruit. So I'm gonna fast forward it now to and put some nice music after this. Okay, guys.
This ain't a song for the broken hearted. No silent prayer for faith departed. And I ain't gonna be just a face in the crowd. You're gonna hear my voice when I shout it out loud. It's my life, it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live my life. It's my life.
At the place that we saw avalanche, a landslide. I hope they repair the road. Let's see if it is in a good condition already. Let's see if it already fixed it. Oh yes! Wow, they make it real good. That's real good. Yeah. Place. That is good repair. Good job. Cool. Thumbs up. flowers. Bring quite decent amount of palm fruit. I bet it's I think it's 6 to 7 ton. We arrived at the mill at 4:05 p.m. Cool.
What is love? What is
Guys, I'm here and I'm going to unload this into there, inside there. So, see you guys after this job is continue. Alright, done. Job is done. Let's go get a signature of it.
Seas will cover lands, and when men will be no more, don't think you can forgive you. Yeah, when there'll just be silence, and when life will be over, don't think you will forgive you.
Oh yeah? Let's go and park our car and claim the money. Oh yeah, now we know it. Now you know. You work hard for this. Kind of beautiful flower outside, so look at that. You can zoom. Nice, right? Beautiful flower. Yeah, nice gardening outside there.
I want to see that flower.
This flower is
This flower.
it's 1060. It's 1 ton 60.
Yes, I'm the winner.
Yeah. Alright, let's keep it away. It's hard to earn this money, guys. I hope you guys support me, and so I can earn a bit from YouTube. Alright, let's move on. Let's go back. Oh, so many, man. Alright, we safely arrived home and we're going to rest, and I'm gonna wrap this video. and I hope you guys enjoyed it, our little vlog today. Thank you guys for watching us until now, and for those who not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe our channel, like and share our channel, and don't forget to hit that little icon, bell icon, to get newest video content from us, and so that you don't miss our new video. Thank you guys for watching, and this is our vlog for today. Peace, y'all. Thank you guys.